Hi there! In this video I'm going to be demoing tone demo of the Univox Uni-Fuzz, which I have modified and rebuilt the power supply to eliminate the 120 Hz buzzing. So I'm using my hand-built 2-watt amplifier, and to here I've got the guitar set up for clean tone. And I want you to notice at first the amp is not making any 120 Hz buzzing noise. And now when I turn the Uni-Fuzz on, all you can hear is a slight hissing. There is no buzz. You can really hear the octave coming through very smoothly on this particular fuzz unit. It has a very dark and thick fuzz in general, with the octave just underneath it. It is probably the best sounding fuzz unit I have ever heard out of these circuits, the Shin-Ei Super-Fuzz circuits. And it's silent. There's no buzz. These AC powered units, this is one from the 60s, this is the first series, are notorious. The buzzing, I'm going to put a link to a video that shows an unmodified version of one of these pedals, and it buzzes like mad. And they just sound so good to have that. They sound too good to have that buzzing in there. So let's I'll switch here to the scooped tone. You can hear the white noise shifts a little bit. There's the classic Uni-Fuzz Destructo tone. Well, there you have it. The classic Univox Uni-Fuzz debuzzed with Super-Fuzz. Thanks for watching.